Again, please. Yeah, my name is Wing Commander Abhinandan. My service number is 27981. I'm a flying pilot and my religion is Hindu.
Okay.
What else? I'm sorry, sir. As per, that's all I'm supposed to tell you.
Okay.
Wing Commander Abhinandan. Yes.
Pardon, sir. Pardon.
Pardon? I'm not supposed to tell you that, no?
Okay.
Okay.
How's that best effect? You have already told everything.
Am I speaking to an officer? Yes.
ठीक है ना.
May I request a little information? Am I with the Pakistani Army?
उंगली मत उठाना बाजू तोड़ के रख देंगे कभी उंगली मत उठाना बाजू तोड़ के रख देंगे